Follow these steps to make public profile on Snapchat. Launch Snapchat. Your camera will open up. Now, click on the Bitmoji icon given at the top left. You will be directed to the profile page. Now over here, you're gonna find a different section as My Stories, Friends, Snap Map, Countdowns, My Selfie, and Create Public Profile. You'll need to click on that option. As I have already created my public profile, I'm not getting that option. But in case you haven't created yet, you will get that option clicking on that. Now you'll need to set up your public profile. Click on Settings. Now you can customize these settings. Manage public story, notification, access support. You can head back. Now you can upload stories over here. Likewise, add spotlight. And here you're gonna find insights of all those videos and stories. So this way you can easily make public profile on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.